Welcome to the first training video for the Sandbox Activity Manager web application. I'm Mons and I will be showing you around in the application today. Let's log in as Grant and I'll show you how the dashboard works. Once you log in, you'll see a little welcome message and a nice dashboard that sort of sums up the entire application. You'll see a section of your latest notes. You'll see the latest 3 notes that you've created. You'll also see a section of the latest news. This is the latest, the latest news for the last 30 days. And you can click on these to expand them, read about the news articles, and let's scroll down a bit. You also have a section for the upcoming events for your associated sandbox. And if you're logged in as Grant, obviously it's going to show ShiftKey Labs. If you're logged in as a different user, it'll show your sandbox. Here is the section for your latest upcoming events. And if we scroll all the way down, we'll see some statistics for your sandbox. This first graph here represents the participation rates. So here we can see how many people registered for an event versus how many people actually attended the event across your entire year. So here we see that on the 21st of October 2015, we had 11 people registered for the event, but only 8 people actually attended the event. This graph here will show you the participation percentage for all your events summed up. So with this statistics, or this data right here, summed up, it's 50%, 50.14% people who actually participated in the event versus how many people registered for it. At the bottom here, we just display a little welcome message welcoming you to the application. And now let's take a look at the site navigation bar. At the top here, your sandbox logo will be shown. And we have a drop down here for news, events, sandboxes, and user accounts, where each of these links to the associated pages within the application. These will be discussed and displayed in later training videos. We also have a little section here about the reports. This is an automatic reports tool, reporting tool that will be super helpful for automizing events and news reports. At the bottom here we have your own notes. So this will be the view that displays a list of all your notes you've created through the application. You can see who the note is for, we can view it, we can edit it, and we can delete it. For example, I can delete this one right here, and it will update the table. We also have an attendance tracker where we can sign people up for events and track the attendance of different events. And at the bottom here we have the logout. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this first video, and I hope you tune in to the next ones.